Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code WC-34737-4. This common PlayStation error usually points to a problem with your payment details or billing information. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and working correctly. A strong, reliable connection is crucial for all online services. Then, we'll quickly check the PlayStation network service status to confirm there are no widespread outages affecting the system, which could prevent transactions from completing successfully. Now, let's dive into your payment information. Go to your account settings and find Payment Management. Carefully review all your credit card or PayPal details, making sure everything is accurate and current. A common mistake is an outdated expiration date or an incorrect security code. Also, double-check that your billing address exactly matches what your bank has on file. Sometimes, simply removing and then re-adding your payment method can resolve minor glitches, giving it a fresh start. If your payment information is all correct, let's try some system-level fixes. First, power off your console completely. Then, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep, which will take you into safe mode. From there, select Rebuild Database to optimize your system files. Once that's done, restart your console normally, go to Account Management, and choose Restore Licenses. These steps can often clear up underlying system issues that might be causing the error. Should the error code WC-34737-4 still be appearing after trying these steps, your best course of action is to contact PlayStation support directly. Be sure to provide them with the exact error code and detail all the troubleshooting steps you've already completed. They have access to your account information and can offer more specific solutions or escalate the issue if needed. As a temporary workaround, you might consider using a different payment method or purchasing a PlayStation Store gift card to complete your transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.